Hello, dear traders. The analytical community is with you, GURU.Markets. We start with summary data about the corporation. A little further, we will look at each parameter in more detail. If necessary, you can pause the video. You can study all the parameters of the corporation in question carefully. Now let's analyze the main indicators of the company Blackrock Incorporated, ticker BLK. The review was created on the basis of current data as of April 12, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets, company Blackrock Inc. belongs to the subcategory. Investors, 77 organizations take part in the assessment. This is very representative. We'll look at the final solutions at the end of the video. The overall result for the company under study is 5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 1.7 points. If you look very broadly, within the market as a whole, we see that the average result for the stock market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against the 5-point rating Blackrock Inc. Comparing the movement of the company's stock price Blackrock Inc. and subcategory companies, we will see that over 12 months the company's shares Blackrock Incorporated showed a dynamics of 12.1%. Against price changes in the 3.2% subcategory. This definitely doesn't mean anything, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. Market capitalization of the company Blackrock Incorporated is $136.22 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $610 billion. Blackrock Incorporated accounts for a share of 22.336%. This is one of the leaders of the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $47.47 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory of $202 billion. Blackrock Inc. accounts for a share of 23.508%. By comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we can see the following. Share Blackrock Incorporated in the subcategory when assessing market value is 22.336%. The balance sheet capitalization is 23.508%. This is 5% more than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of market and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization's financial liabilities amount to $14.242 billion. Financial liabilities to balance sheet capitalization amount to 30% of capital. Score based on the company's debt level, good, 1 point. The balance of the company's market value to its profit corresponds to 21.4. With an average in the subcategory of 29.8, this is 28% lower than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's stock market value to its profit in comparison with organizations of the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $6,369 million. Forward earnings for the coming 12 months are expected to be $7,613 million, which is 19.5% more than at the current moment. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price to revenue balance is 6.5. The subcategory average of 4.7 is 38% higher than the subcategory average. Assessment of the indicators of the company's market value to its revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, tolerable, minus 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $20,870 million. Forward revenue for the coming 12 months is tentatively expected to be $24,950 million, which is 20% more than at the current moment. Assessment of the predicted future revenue indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The margin is 30.5%, with an average in the subcategory of 15.7%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 14.8%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 28.387%. This is a 27% increase in market capitalization share. And this fact reflects the imbalance in the organization's market price Blackrock Incorporated, rather towards underestimation. The amount of market capital per company employee is equal to $6,456,000. And for the subcategory, $8,206,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's indicators is 21.3%. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee is $301.8 thousand, with the average in the subcategory, $275.6 thousand. And the difference between the average in the subcategory and the company's indicators is 10%. Assessment of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $989,000. In the subcategory, $1,758,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 78%. Estimation of revenue per company employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, tolerable, 0 points. Shares for sale correspond to 1%, with a subcategory average of 2.6%. This is an indicator of the risk of a short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 43% for the company Blackrock Incorporated, whereas for the subcategory this level is approximately 41%. On average, securities of the subcategory are valued the same as stocks Blackrock Inc. The actual valuation of the company's shares is approximately $879. The consensus estimate for the company's stock price is approximately $1,036. The dynamics of the actual assessment and consensus forecast is approximately 18%. Let's look at the table of orders that is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made in a given season by the evaluation information system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open, link in pinned comment. As a result of the company analysis Blackrock Inc. Information and reference system GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Do not open a deal, as this video is an overview. Thank you so much to the audience for watching this video and for using the information system from GURU.Markets. You really are the coolest audience in the whole world.